The next thing that's been super useful for me is just finding evidence of the opposite. I've shared with some of you in different circumstances that, there was an identity crisis for me. A couple of years ago, I was feeling like I was too old to be talking to people about their marketing and their practice growth and talking to people about social media because I was 47 at that stage there too. And then Gary Vaynerchuk, who's one of my mentors, guy whose stuff I love there too. Gary's about a month younger than what I am. Like, if I can find evidence of somebody else doing it, often what it does, James, is it dissolves the story. So I look for evidence, just little bits of evidence elsewhere. Who else has done what I want to do? The new coaching group that I have been a part of for the last 6 months, I'm at the very bottom bracket of being able to qualify for this group in terms of income and experience. And last month at one of the trainings that we had there, I was learning from a teacher whose revenue for January was $9 million, revenue for February was $8 million. And so I get to see possibilities that are so far beyond what my experience is. My goal is not $8 or $9 million per month, so it just makes mine look smaller. And that to me is really helpful, looking for evidence elsewhere.